morning, everybody. Today is February 11th, 2021, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the S&P 500, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. So first things first, let's go to gold. All right, so gold is pulling back still on the daily off of this moving average cluster, and it looks like we are going to be heading back down towards the bottom of this channel. That's my thoughts. If we can break above this red line, I will change my opinion, but until then, I am going to maintain that posture on gold. On silver, silver is still waiting to be closed on the weekly above this triangle. So as soon as we close this candle above this triangle, I am a raging bull on silver. Close above the triangle, close above the red line. I would prefer to see this candle close above the midpoint of this wick and make a nice green candle with some shadows on the top and the bottom. On the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is consolidating at the very top. We are on an 8 of 9 on the daily, and I am expecting this to hold. If we have a 1 to 4 candle pullback, however, I expect to only go back to about the 50-period moving average. All the oscillators are still a little bit divergent. However, I am willing to maintain my posture that the S&P 500 is still bullish because it is at an all-time high again. All right, Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the monthly, nothing's really changing. We did have a pump last night or early in the morning today, and that hasn't changed much. The weekly is still on a 2, going above a 1, going above the 9. It just hit the 618 on the extension. So I don't know if we are going to get a pullback all the way to the 382 from here, but I will see that as a potential option. The daily is where I get a little more interested. The daily candle, this red candle or this green candle right here, needs to close above the body of this 4. I don't care about the intradaily trading. What I care about is how high is the close going to be on this candle. If this candle closes down here below the open of this 5 candle, I actually become slightly more bearish, because I think then there's this cluster of resistance here, and I think that could stop the price for a while, and we could either consolidate or drop back down and retest this $42,000 area. That has been my area of support. I also would like to see all the way down to 40. I think 40 is the best place to retest. This 43.5 area is not a good spot to just pull back to. It's within an acceptable range, but it's very, very, very contested that I would call that close enough to this top to consider it a back test. The 4 hour. The 4 hour paints a slightly different picture. We had this beautiful channel, and what ended up happening was the price rode the top of this channel and is now trying to break out. I did not notice the 2 going above the 1 on this 4 hour. I would have I would have been in if I'd seen that last night. But unfortunately, I was not paying that much attention yesterday. So shame on me. We are having divergence on the RSI. And the hourly. The hourly is topping on a 9 currently, and we are going to see where this candle closes. I do believe that because of this divergent RSI that we have right now, because of the difference in price and the RSI, we may pull back to this yellow line. However, I am not 100% confident in that. I am expecting a 1 to 4 candle correction, though, off this 9. And let's see, MACD is trending up, RSI is divergent, but in the overbought position, and the price is bullish because it still has not made a higher candle close than this 2 up here, so we'll pay attention to that on the hourly. All right, I got to cut this video short, but everyone have a wonderful day, and I will be speaking to you tomorrow.